Umoya ongacikanga kwingingqi esemalahleni nemigodi yamalahle sisikhumbuzo sokuba impilo yabantu abahlala apha isemngciphekweni.
When starting raising awareness around the air pollution issues, people started to see that no, this is real and this is true, because when we are out of emalahleni, we don't use more money for medication for our children as when we are around this the area.
Imibutho amachantliziyo inzululwazi kwakunye nogqirha bathi inani elikhulayo labantu abanengxaki zokuphefumula kule ngingqi kubangelwa ngumoya ongcolileyo.
We've seen the unprecedented advocacy around climate change from health professionals worldwide in recent years, and in South Africa, which is a significant emitter and also highly vulnerable to the impacts of climate change and air pollution, makes a special case for public health professionals here to speak out.
Isebe elijongene lithi lisesiqwalasele isigwebo senkundla ephakamileyo.
Minister Barbara Creecy notes the judgment by Gauteng Division of the High Court that declared that poor air quality in the high-fill priority area is a breach of residents' constitutional rights to an environment that is not harmful to their health and their well-being. The department is studying the implications of this judgment and will obtain legal advice on the judgment and will comment on these matters in a more detailed manner in due course.
Kwakhona le nkundla ephakamileyo yalele urhulumente ukuba amilisele isicwangciso somoya ococekileyo i-high fill priority area air quality management plan nesijolise ekubeni abantu baphefumule umoya ococekileyo kwiindawo abahlala kuzo.